Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Tech with Jordy. I'm Jordy, and I just wanted to say I know I've been away for a minute. However, I have been hard at work, let me say, developing some stuff. So I wanted just to wish you a happy first few months of the year. I hope it's been going well. And yeah, on my side, I've been working on. Okay, before I get to what I've been working on, as you know, I'm a software developer, so I've been developing for the last couple of years, maybe 5 years or so. And although I'm quite passionate about building tutorials and working alongside you guys to learn and grow together, I also feel like shipping and building products and bringing them to life is actually also very like useful and beneficial, so you can actually have real world projects and stuff like that. Um, yeah, so without further ado, a few episodes ago, I was working on a budget tracker app, and what that was, it was basically a website where you could essentially log all your expenses, whether personal or grouped expenses. So if you have like a house that you share with like your housemates, roommates, partners, spouses, whatever it is, and you have shared expenses together, trips, restaurants, all of that jazz, you kind of want to just look at who's paying what and stuff like that. Um, yeah, I worked on that a few episodes ago. You can check it out in the description. And yeah, I was thinking, what about it being like an actual application that you can pull out of your phone and just quickly have a look and see? So what I've been working on over the last few months is the budget tracker app, making it into a mobile app, introducing MoolaTrack. So I'm going to just quickly present and show you guys what it looks like and play around with it. So it is an MVP. It's not like complete just yet. It's not like the final product. However, I did break down a few very important features when it comes to keeping track of your budget. So I'm looking forward to that. I hope that you find it exciting, and let's go. Let's dive right in. So, introducing MoolaTrack. MoolaTrack is your financial co-pilot, your assistant to help you keep track of your expenses, right? Whether it's personal expenses or grouped expenses, you can have smart analytics and proper budgeting tools together. So, let's go to get started. Let me just say Jane. This is just again, this is just a MVP, so it's like a very simple release, but I've been working on it, and I currently want to basically repurpose my expense tracker into an actual application called MoolaTrack. So this is all just testing for now. And if you have a group invitation, you can add the group here. We don't have anything for now. We can just complete setup. And then boom, this is what it looks like. So this is the landing page. Once you sign up for MoolaTrack, you can kind of like add your expenses here. So you can kind of go here. It might be a little bit buggy here and there. It's not like perfect. I do have like a small set of things that I've worked on quite a lot, but this isn't MVP, and I'm working to release this in the next few weeks, if not like months, if not weeks, I think. Yeah, so I've been hard at work here. Most of it is actually done, at least for the MVP. So I wanted just to demonstrate what it looks like. Hopefully this works. If it doesn't, it's also okay. I am still testing and playing around. I will release it soon. So let's just say date night. Valentine's pause. So I can't use the Valentine's line anymore. And this is oh, it added. Okay, cool. Let's add and see. Boom. So we've added expenses. We can see we have 100 Rand logged. And this is just, I wanted just to give you a sneak peek, not like a full demonstration, but this is what it looks like. You can log in, keep track of your expenses. You can kind of like play around. This is, I added this today. View the calendar, check different days. You can add an expense for that day. Something very simple like that. Nothing too hectic. You can create a group if you want. Add your group there, and there's like a statistics page. So again, it's actively something I'm currently working on. So it's not like finalized or complete just yet, but it's an MVP. I want it to be something that I can maybe build, flesh out, and I might need a little bit of help. So from you guys, if there is any expense trackers or budgeting tools you guys use to keep track of your money and your finances, and maybe things that don't really work well, please do let me know what works well, what doesn't work so well, so that I can at least have an idea of what you guys might want potentially in an app. And then something else I might need, I would really appreciate your assistance on, is if you guys would be willing to sign up as beta testers, so people that can test the application once it gets released, to like prod, and I release it into the App Store as well. So you can, yeah, if you would like to, please do sign up. Please do comment down below, beta user or beta user, and then I will get your invitation. I'll get your email and I'll send you an invitation as well, so you can play around with the app. Let me know what works, what doesn't work, And yeah, the plan is I'm going to be releasing more consistently. I'm going to be building a lot more tools together, mobile apps, applications, tutorials, not so much, but obviously I like that as well, so I will be building it. So yeah, that's a sneak peek of MoolaTrak. This is what I've been up to over the last few months. Again, you can see it's kind of like almost workable, not quite finished just yet, but this is something that I can present. Hopefully it's something that I can grow, make it into something cool. There are a lot of competitors out there, I do know that, but again, I'm learning. This is like my mobile app, and I'm moving it from my web app to my mobile app. So yeah, anyways, that's all I have for today. I wanted just to say thank you again for joining, for being alongside me on this journey. And yeah, please do comment and say what you like about the app, say what you don't like about the app, and what you would like in other budget tracking tools. Maybe I can incorporate it as well. And please, please, if you can like, comment, subscribe, that would be really appreciated as well. Don't forget, if you do want to be added as the test users, please do let me know, and I can get into contact with you guys, and then we can take it from there. Without further ado, thank you again. This is Take with Jody. I'm Jody. Thank you for joining us, and continue being a builder of tomorrow. I'll see you as we build the future. Cheers.